Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word paramount. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The safety and well-being of our students is of paramount importance to us. In this sentence, paramount means of greatest importance or significance, indicating that ensuring the safety and well-being of students is the top priority. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.